up YouTube, Moderate Mods, and today I'm back with another C6 video. Today I'll be replacing these right here with some LED side marker strips. So they come in a package like this. I picked these up on Amazon. Always, the link will be down below. And today's first installment of these side markers is going to be the rears. As soon as my LED front ones come in, I'll be dropping a video on those as well. So stay tuned for that video. But let me unbox this for you, show you what we got inside, and take you step by step on how to do this. Enjoy. So getting into the contents here, once I opened up the box, here's the side marker. Came great. These are brand new. Came with the little power right here. So this is simulating, your light that you would put in, but instead it has power connectors to it, so it's going to connect into the power. And it's kind of hard to see, but with the wrap on, there's just an LED strip in there, and this is red, and these are going to be my rear ones. I picked up the smoke set. I will be linking the smoked set because of the blacked out that I already have, but they have a clear style, which is more like a gray look, and I think they even just have an all red non-tinted set. So pick your poison and get into installing these. This look is going to look much better than your basic one bulb light in there, the halogen bulb that it comes with. Even better than just putting an LED bulb in there. I think it's going to look a lot sleeker, and it's a must-do mod, guys. And for 32 bucks, you can't beat that. It came in about 2-3 days, and I absolutely am so excited. So let's just dive right into doing this. Okay, guys, so coming to my extremely dirty rear end here. All you have to do is to access this light is take out your rear farther tail light. Taking that out just requires a T15 Torx bit, screwdriver, whatever, and just take out your light. And you can untwist the housing there. Once you unscrew it here, it will expose all your internals back there. You can untwist it to remove the light housing, and in there will expose the side marker, and I'll show you how to get that figured out. So coming in here, guys, right there is your side marker. So just simply twist that, and that will remove the light bulb housing and the power. And then on each side, so right there on that farther left side is a pin. You just push in with your finger and pull out on the side marker, and then further in there, right there is another pin as well. Both of those just pushing in and pulling, and it will remove the light housing. Show you here with one hand, I can probably do this. Twisting the light bulb. Twisting that, dropped out the light housing there. Now just take my pin, push in, as I push in, I can push out, and there's one. Go a little further up in there, and there's the second one. And look at that. Flew right out. Now I did that with one hand. If I had two, you'd be able to pull and hold on to the light, but there's the old one there. And there it is. I'm just gonna take a rag and just wipe the interior of that out and clean that out a little bit. And then I'll show you how to put this one in. So guys, here's the light housing itself. And I have my lights on just because I'm gonna wanna test. So compared to the old bulb here, you have your new one. And what you want to do is you just want to insert it in, whichever way it goes, and push it in. Push it in and make sure that it's powering up. You want to do this just because if you put it in, sometimes you can put it in backwards and it won't power up. And you did all the work, put everything back together, and then boom, you go to turn it on and it's not right. So always test just to make sure, but there it is, and look how clean that looks. So now all you're gonna do is just push your light housing in. This is super challenging to do with one hand, but if you had two, boy, man, you could get the job done. So push the light housing in, twist it, and you're all connected up and good to go. So there I am, all connected up, and you just want to put it in, line up your holes, and it's so simple, guys. Push in all the way around, and you're good. You're done. There it is. And look how clean that looks compared to that basic one light. Wow, I love it, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to end the video off here. I hope you enjoyed those nighttime shots. And again, just another C6 mod that isn't a wallet breaker or anything like that. Gets the job done, looks super clean. I love the look. Can't wait to get the front. And again, if you're checking this video out, go ahead and check out the front video. If it's not up yet, it will be soon. I'm getting those ordered in, and they should be here any day now. So just another mod, though, that's super well priced. Really pieces the car together, and it just makes it more of a head turner. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Real easy, real cheap, and keep checking out this channel for more and more mods just like that. And until the next one, guys, peace.